Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey, and
this is Dixie,
and we're Love Hut for Life.
We've now been on the road for 95 weeks in our slide-in tiny home in the back of our truck.
That's right, guys, and this week we've been all across the South. We started off in Shane's hometown of Corner, Alabama, drove all the way across the state of Georgia, and into the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. I hope you guys enjoy this week's video. If you do, be sure and comment below to let us know that you're watching and what you think. When we left you last week, we were in Corner, Alabama, visiting Shane's family and helping our friend Mary out with her solar installation in her brand new van.
What do you think I was doing, huh?
Oh my God, Shane.
What do you think I was doing, huh?
Hey, Shane.
Hey.
What you doing down there?
I'm too big to fit under the bed any other way, so I'm trying to hang these cables. And I have to lay on my back. Big man problems.
Bye-bye, Mary. The next morning, we got a little sleep in, but it was time for us to get to work on our own rig so that we could get back on the road.
You know, this has turned into a much bigger project than I thought it would. How did I get all this stuff in the truck in the first place? Jesus.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a whole lot.
It is. Got the diesel heater installed, and this week I'm utilizing some of the old pallets that we have stored here to build a cover over that heater, so Dixie still has somewhere to eat and drink down in that space instead of losing all of it. Good things about being back at home base, Amazon Prime. There's a 130-pound battery in this box. We're going to be using the Renogy 200 amp hour gel hybrid battery to replace that semi-trustworthy boat battery we stuck in there a few months ago back in Texas. This should do the job.
Yeah, we were a little bit worried about that boat battery not lasting and crapping out on us at a terrible time. We're pretty excited, but the only problem is it's got to replace that one way back there. I climbed in this thing last week. I'm hoping we can figure out a way that I don't have to do it again this week.
I think one's a little bigger than the other.
Yeah, there's a bit of a difference there.
I think he's stuck.
I think despite our best efforts, we're still gonna have some work to do in the morning. We're losing that sunshine.
Yeah, it's gone. The days are getting shorter already.
What you doing, Shane?
Making pancakes. Birthday pancakes. It's her birthday. How old are you?
I won't tell.
Hey!
I might tell a story.
You might tell a story.
Look, Ma has Mary's artwork in her kitchen too.
We've had a good week. We've got a lot done on the Love Hut. We managed to get in a cover for our heater, a shelf for our kitchen. We did a tune-up on the truck, and several other little odds and ends, as well as do a solar install on our friend Mary's van. But it's time to hit the road, and we are headed down to the Chattahoochee, specifically the Chattahoochee National Forest.
Dixie is very, very happy to be riding in her spot in air conditioning. And we're all really, really happy to be back on the road, headed for our next adventure. Bye-bye, Alabama.
Well, this is home for the night.
Y'all, we really enjoy all of our time hanging out with friends and family any chance we get, but this is where we belong, deep in the woods, far away from everyone. Isn't that right, Dixie? Yeah.
We made it just over 100 miles through North Georgia, back into the Chattahoochee Forest where we were last night. And now we're searching for a place to camp. This road's a little bumpy, not gonna lie.
It's usually these questionable roads that lead to the best camping spots, though. So, maybe we'll find something awesome tonight. Definitely some beautiful country around us.
So Kelsey's theory on bumpy roads leading to awesome camping spots isn't always true. Today was one of those cases, but it did bring us out to a paved road and we could find some internet service, or at least Wi-Fi.
Yes, but we did wind up in a really beautiful camping spot. It's just hard to show you because of all of this rain. But right across the road there is a beautiful little river that we can't wait to check out tomorrow. The rain let up just in time for us to get a better look before the sun went down.
There's a better way.
Oh wow, this is pretty. It's about 7 a.m. and our quiet little camping spot, miles from anyone, is apparently a local favorite fishing spot. That's ballsy, y'all. I've never seen someone park that close to us while we slept before.
That waterfall was totally worth the tiny little hike it took to get to it. And we found it just as we are entering the Nantahala National Forest, which is where we plan on camping tonight. Now we just gotta find a spot.
I don't think we'll have any problem. What do you think, Dixie?
Oh, we'll just drive down bumpy roads, right?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
let's do it. She's ready. So I don't think we're camping in the Nantahala National Forest tonight, Shane. What do you think?
No, we somehow ended up in the Pisgah National Forest, and it's a bit different than some of the other ones we've been to. This is not our first time in this forest. Most of the camping here is designated roadside camping, which is mostly tent accessible. So we are having a bit of a hard time finding a place to park this big yellow house, but we haven't given up yet. The sun's not down.
I still have faith that we'll find something awesome. All right, y'all. After 10 hours in the car, we finally found a spot that we can put the love hut. This is home for the night. Come on, Dixie, we're home. I'm not even sure this actually qualifies as a camping spot, but it is a spot big enough to fit the love hut in the Pisgah National Forest, which apparently is a hard thing to find.
We're good now.
Well, guys, it appears that we found that perfect camping spot that we've been looking for all day long. Right where we parked. Too bad you can't drive out here, though. Someone could drive up there, and they just did. I think we need to go make friends with these people. That's awesome. You know, we actually did go and make friends with them, and they were pretty cool, just with smaller trucks than us.
Much smaller.
Guys, we want to say thank you to each and every one of you who are following us along this far on our journey. If you haven't already done so, be sure and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and comment below, because that's the only way that we know you're watching.
If you're looking for a more in-depth view of our life, check out our Facebook and Instagram under Love Hut for Life. And if you're looking for a way to contact us, drop us an email at lovehutforlife@gmail.com. We'll see y'all next week.
Peace out. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.